sweethearts, welcome to tutorial form Un, Dos, Tres by Sofía Reyes featuring Jason Derulo. Let's get started. Hands are going to start right on the hips. We're going to start with a single, single, double, head and over to the right. We're going to go single and double. So the hips are really going to raise there. It's going to go up and up and up. Now we're going to tap 4 times starting with the left foot. We're going to tap left, right, and to go the other direction, single and double. This time, right, left, and. And this left and is getting ready to put the weight on that foot so that you can take off to lift the hips. Now adding some arms. Arms will be right here on the hips for the first single, single, double. We go single, double. And as we use the left foot starts, the right arm is going to come across 5, 6, 7. Here's a circle. 8, and to pick up single, double. Nice and slow. This time left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, and. So the arm is just swaying, 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 circle to start. And as that circle comes around, the hip is going to go with it. Let's do that again. Single, double. 5, 6, 7, 8, and single, double. 5, 6, 7, 8, and. Let's see that face in the front. Hands on the hips, really working hip up to the side. We go. Single, double. Da, 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 da. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and. Great. Next section, we're going to take it up to the mirror. We're going to do 4 steps. Start with that right foot. It goes 1, 2, 3, together. Hold, 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 and back. 1, 2, 3, together. Hold, hold, and throw. Now the arms on the way up are open, close, and we little shoulder, elbow, little bounce back. Open, close, 1, 2, throw away. Let's see that. We go up, right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, bounce and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, throw away. Let's see that face in the front. Music here back to the second side. We go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bounce. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 times 5, 6, throw 7, 8. Now with those little shoulders, we really want to get bouncing there. Really just feel it. You'll plie the legs. Bounce, 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 or bounce, bounce, throw away. All right, moving on with that chorus. Here comes the un, dos, tres, un, dos, tres. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We're going to come up on the toes, and we're going to work the knees across the body. We start right, right, hold. Left, right, left, hold. Now the arms are doing fists, and we're going to twist the body. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, un, dos, tres. And we have 4 taps with the hips. 4, 3, 2, 1. Arms are coming over the head and working down the body. 4, 3, 2, 1. So sewing it together, we go. Un, dos, tres, hip and hip and hip and hip. It repeats beginning. Right, left, right, left, right, left. And we're going to slide to the left and show the feet first. We go side, hip, hip. So we slide, hip comes from where we're coming back, and then back, hip. Arms come across, out, chest. So we're palms down, out, ta, ta, ta. As we do the slide, we go slide, down, 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 down. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Hips, 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 hips. Un, dos, tres, na, 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 da, na, 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 na. Let's see that face in front. We'll do it slow and then a little bit faster. We go. Right, left, left. Hip, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, left. Side, hip. A little faster now. Un, dos, tres. Hip and a hip and a hip and a hip. Un, dos, tres. down and na na na, down and na na na, down and hip up, down and hip up. All right, after the chorus we have this little tag. It goes right, left, left. 3 body rolls. 1, 2, third one, arms over a little bit slower. Then we start to the left. Left, right. 3, 2, 1, over. So working the chest, and then full body, similar to the salsa step we did before. Ba, 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 da, da, da. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're gonna get a little knee in there. Ta, ta, ta. Really working the side to side. Let's do that facing the front. We'll do the second un, dos, tres. Un, dos, tres. Na, 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 na. Here's your tag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we have our real breakdown of the song. We're going to hit the hands, and we're going to hit to the side. And we're going to hit with the right, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to take it around 5, 6, 7, 8. Left leg, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're really going to push, down, pa, 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 push, down, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's get a little push facing the front. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pa, 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 pa. Around 5, 6, 7, 8. Right after that, we're going to work a little side to side. We're going to pull, starting with the left. Pull, and open. So we're going over to the right-hand side. We're going to do left arm first. We pull 1, pull 2, pull 3. We have a double foot. 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Pa, pa, ta, ta, ta to walk up. Put those two together, starting with that right side. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Single, double. We go pull, double, open. Pull, double, open. Ta, ta. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. Quick arm around. That's going to take us right into the mirror and back. We go right back into our salsa step and our un, dos, tres. All right, this song ends with the un, dos, tres 3 times. But on third, we're going to do something a little bit different. So the first 2 are 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, tap and tap and tap and tap. Un, dos, tres, side with the hip, side with the hip. The second one is just the same. On the third one, instead of starting un, dos, tres, we're going to walk it up to the mirror. Right, left, step the right out, hands on the knees. We twerk pa, pa, pa. And we walk back left, right, left to go. Un, dos, tres, side, and throw. And that's the ending. Let's see that face to the front, the last one. So 2 times through, un, dos, tres, hip and a hip and a hip and a hip. Un, dos, tres, side and side. Second one just the same. On the third one, un, dos, tres, hip, hip, hip. 1, 2, 3. Un, dos, tres, side and throw. That's all the choreography for un, dos, tres. Let's dance it.